Hey guys, just got done rebuilding the carburetor on the 250, the fl250 that is, Odyssey go-kart, and jet snapped off, had to take it back apart, and then this part right here cracked, so I ground it down. Then I'm probably going to use something like that, right there, it's as spacer, because the threads are in there. This was just going to drill out this so it ain't threaded, and use something like that, and grind this circle. And then when the jet screws down, it'll crunch that down and JB weld it. That's what I do. I gotta find, where's Bart? Try to make something here. Gotta find that little guy. Focus, focus. Darn camera, focus. Or 120 jet with the part that goes into, which somewhat looks like this. This is not it, but it looks like that. That broke off too. That was the original one. It's hard, I'm having a hard time finding it, so I'm going to go out the model of the carburetor and see if I find some information. If you have parts for the Honda Odyssey 1977, I think 89, I don't think there's a carburetor change in the 250s. Comment down below if you have the jet right there, the part that goes in there. This guy right here. Looks just like that. Then a little one screws on top of it. I need that part, and I mean, I don't think you have it, but these little screws, probably just get these at hardware store. But if you have that, let me know in the comments, and that's it. Please like, subscribe, comment. Catch you on the next one.